If you need to make your grid responsive within your Webflow designer, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about it. So without further ado, let's climb straight in. So what you need to do is select the section that we're going to be working in. So for example, I'm just going to go down here and have a look for a section. So we can see that, let's say this works grid over here. Let's say that this section over here, we would like to just select. And once we have selected that section, we are going to go into the view of mobile landscape. Okay, so this is where the problem is coming in. So you can see over here, you'll have this issue, whereas this is not being respaced correctly. So what you need to do is on the right hand side, go over to grid under layout. And once you're in here, you'll see that this is now being removed from your screen once you are resizing. So what you want to do is on the right hand side there's a grid, and then over here on this grid you want to go ahead and click on this edit grid, and you'll see now this is what it currently looks like. So in the grid settings you'll see columns and rows. You want to add an additional 2 rows. Okay, so let's just go ahead. It now says rows 4, and here in columns you just want to delete those additional columns. This means that this information will be displayed this way instead of this way, and it'll fit in this orientation of a screen.